So here you can see that I have a panoramic image, and if I want to work around with polar coordinates, then I can go around into filter and I can go to polar coordinates right here. So once I do that, what happens is that you can see that you get a planet-like effect. So this is not a perfect panoramic image, but you can see that you can work around with the rotation. You can rotate out this image right here. You can work around with the overlap option right here to adjust it out. You can also flip it out right here. That is, you can have the inner side outside and the outer side inside, just like this. So this is not a perfect panoramic image. So if we were to enable symmetry, then you can see that this is how you can manage it out as well, just like this. And you can see the before and after right here. So you can create like a planet globe effect that you see online by using this option, by using the polar coordinate option. Once you press apply, then this is the effect you have, as you can see. Let me just go around and then do a stock search right here. So let me just do panorama right here. So I'm just going to search for panorama, and you get different options, as you can see right here. So let me just select out something like this one right here. So let me just select this one, and then it is loading out. And now I'm going to select web and then apply, and then it'll load this image out. So if I were to go around into, let's say, for example, polar coordinates, you can see that you get a planet-like effect right here. You can turn the symmetry on right here so that you get that kind of an effect. You can work around with the overlap option, adjust it out right here, and rotate it according to how you like it. So let's see, get the little planet-like effect, as you can see once you use this effect. So you got the little round planet right there, and that is how it works. And that is how you can work around with polar coordinate option inside of Pixlr E. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.